So my name is Amy Ward. I'm 60, and I was diagnosed in the year 2010. The day that I actually found the mass, I was away from home and visiting our oldest son at University of Georgia, and I found out the news. I was not surprised, but I was surprised. It kind of took me off guard, and I can very clearly remember standing in my living room, receiving that phone call from Dr. Scarborough, and him saying, "It is cancer, and I want you to come in so we can talk about next steps." Once I saw Dr. Scarborough and he was able to share with me the more detailed information, the pathology report and all of those things, he determined through all the various tests that it was stage 3, triple negative breast cancer. I just know that I was told that there are limits as to how to treat triple negative breast cancer. I think I'm glad I didn't know all the details because it just moved forward and took the next step. Everything was great. I was well taken care of. Some of the after effects were a little different. Having tubes and drainage bulbs and things like that was not something I was expecting, but I dealt with them and it all went well. I have married my high school sweetheart. We've been married 38 years, and all throughout this procedure, he was my number one fan, my strongest cheerleader. At the time, our sons were in college and wrapping up high school, Robert and David, but they too stood behind me and loved me and cared for me and spoiled me rotten, and I'm so thankful for having their care. A lot of people have asked me how I respond. Would I make the same choices? Would I do the same things? And my answer is yes. I would still make the same choices, do the chemo, do the lumpectomy, and then do the radiation in that order. I would not trade having had breast cancer for the blessings that came from it, because I saw a different side of people that I would not have normally seen. And I think that God really used it to help me find more compassion for others who are undergoing hard things in their lives. And so I'm very thankful.